professions will be associated for the MEP works. Quantity surveyors. These are the prime profession which is associated with the quantity survey, with the construction works. The second one is the estimators. This is what our course is about, like quantity surveying and estimation works. So these are the two prime professions which is associated closely with the MEP works. The third one is the commercial management. Okay, there will be a commercial manager who will handle the commercial things. All the commercial things will be handled by the commercial managers, and under whom the quantity surveyors works. Okay, and estimators are the engineers who will estimate the projects. The next profession which is associated with the MEP works is project management professions. Project managements are having project managers, project engineers and all, who are directly executing the work to the site. Who is the next professional for the MEP works is quality assurance. Quality assurance is also one of the profession which is associated with it, those who assure the quality of a product. The next one is quality control, who will control the quality of the works on the site. The next is engineers. Engineers, it can be having a mechanical engineers, plumbing engineers, electrical engineers. Those are the one who will directly associated for the MEP works. The next one is procurement. What is procurement is who will directly deal with the suppliers and procure the material for the site. It can be ducts, chillers, pipes, fittings and all. They are the one who will procure and deliver to the site. The next one is planning. Planning department is the planners who will plan the total work of the project. Let's say, for example, if it is a 24 months duration of the project, then they are the one who will divide it into different tasks and try to complete the project within the given construction timeline. Those are the one who will work as a for the MEP. Those are the one who works as a MEP professional for the building construction works. The next is accounting department. Accounting is the one who will take in accounts, like how much the value has been, what is the total expenditure of the project on, let's say for example, chilled water pipes, ducts, cables, how much it is spent on those items, and that has to be particularly accounted, and this is what the accounting department will do. The next one is human resources. Human resources, we all know who are the human resources. Those are the people who will hire and fire the people from the particular projects. So those are the MEP professions.